Hello again.
Hello, what's going on?
It's all going good over here, thanks. What about yourself?
Not bad, not bad. I'm in an office here. It's not bad. It's a nice building. I
Okay.
guess this building is better looking from the outside in as opposed to the inside out. So,
Uh,
so
is it
there's
one of these
some.
old buildings?
It's an older one. It's nice. I should say, well, there's a few things they can do, I guess. So next time I'll have a back, okay? Or if people like this. We get tremendous feedback that we like this backdrop here, then that's fine too. So
Excellent. We'll have to decide
excellent,
a poll.
excellent, excellent. What are we gonna talk about today?
I was thinking we could do some Excel things.
Excel, that's excellent. Nice segue.
Excellent. There we go.
It's a nice segue, isn't it? It's
Indeed.
not that excellent, but Excel is excellent. All right.
I've got a data set here
Whoa,
for us to
okay.
play with.
All right, that's cool.
So
What do we
just
have
data
here?
that I've made up, but I thought we could have a bit of a play around with it.
Okay, all right. So what do you have here? You have number, house number. Okay, so the different house numbers.
Hmm. Yep.
All right. Salary, that's cool. That's always interesting. Number of children is interesting.
Hmm.
Oh, and is that suburban or I can't read that. Can we,
Oh,
how can,
shall I resize this one? If I can
yeah.
double
Oh,
click
yeah, yeah, yeah,
just
yeah.
here.
Let's see that. Let's see that. That's
There we
cool.
go.
Nice. So now we can see that. Cool.
Hmm.
Very cool. All right. So
So,
suburban, urban, and rural. All right.
yes. And then, oh, actually, we've got a duplicate entry here, haven't we?
Well, wait a minute. That's what I thought one said children, and then the other one, I'm like, maybe it's chicken. The other one might have been chicken, but they're both children, are they? All right.
They're both
So a
children.
number of chickens.
Well, we
All
don't need a duplicate column, so let me just delete this one. I'm
right.
gonna
Okay.
click up here to highlight it,
Mhm.
right click and delete.
All right. Okay.
There we go. All done.
All right.
Fantastic. And we've got a blank column here as well. I'm going to delete that one as well. There.
Oh, all right. Yeah, it
It's a
looks a
bit
lot
neater.
neater now. That's very nice. All
Yes.
right. Cool.
Excellent. And this one also has a bit of a secret, this data sheet.
Secret, really?
Yes, because
Like what? Like high level, what is it, M6 or MI6 or
MI6,
is
oh,
that
I
kind of stuff
wish.
going? Oh, that. No, no, no. We don't have any of that stuff, do we?
Oh no, not here. But
Not in this sheet, even though it's hidden. So
I
what's
can
hidden?
slide it across.
What's hidden?
The first column. The first
Oh,
column's
it
hidden.
starts on B. Right. Okay.
It starts on
Okay.
B.
I
So something's going on here.
Yeah, I saw that when you deleted earlier, it kept the same, like it got rid of the column, but it just, I guess, got rid of it, but I still saw H and then I.
Mhm.
So it didn't, but A's not there.
It's not there.
I thought you weren't scrolled over all the way. Okay.
Not
So
entirely.
so what,
So
what do you do to get it?
I'm gonna highlight, just click and drag all this over here, right click and
Okay.
unhide A, column A.
All right.
There
Okay.
we go.
That's cool.
Yes.
All right. So you got extra information. That's awesome, man.
Hmm.
Well, I honestly didn't know that. I didn't know that that was a thing in
Yeah.
Excel. Right. Okay.
And we can hide it again the same way. So right click and hide, and it's gone
Wow.
again.
Wow, that's cool. But if it's hidden and it's in a formula, it'll still be able to pick it up, of course, I imagine, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's handy.
So let's unhide that again. And let's resize this one. There we
Should we
go.
tell everybody about the secret?
Uh, it's
Wow.
only the,
Now everybody's gonna be able to unhide everybody else's Excel sheet, huh? No, I guess
there
if
we
you have
go.
ownership, you can't just open it. All right, that's fair.
Indeed.
All right, okay.
Yes. So we've got some survey data here of some people just filling out some questions.
Okay.
But because these are all unique people, why don't we create another column and show that the entries are unique? What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, if we can do that, how will we do that?
Cool. So let's insert one between A and B. So I'm going to highlight B,
Okay.
right click and insert. There we go. We
Oh,
have a
all
whole
right.
new B column.
Okay, that's cool. That
So
pushes everything.
So let's, what should we call this column? Let's call them respondents.
Respondents.
Oops, there we go. So this one's going to be person one. Oh, hang on.
Oh, what happened there, man?
Oh, I guess, oh, because it was next to column A, which is dates, it's done this as dates as well.
Oh, okay. So
Not
it's
so
kind of
good.
picked up a certain format. All right. Can we fix that?
We certainly can. I'm going to highlight B and right click.
Okay. Oh, so right click, man, that we got to be ready with that right clicker, ain't it?
Absolutely.
To
We've
see
done
what we
nothing
can
but right click. So
Right. So format. Okay, that makes sense.
format, and I'm going to go to number.
Okay.
Now we have a decimal places option here, which we don't need because you can't have 1.2
All right.
participants.
That's
Not
fair.
good.
That's
So I'm just
fair.
going to reduce that to 0.
Okay.
Click OK. There we go. Gone back to 1.
Oh, okay. Even though respondents was picked out, was in that column, it still knew just whatever
Yep.
is a number, show it as a number.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. That's cool. All right, awesome. So
Cool.
now what?
So, well, this one's person number 2.
Okay.
Person, oh, this is going to take
Yeah,
forever.
man.
Oops.
What the heck are you doing? You got to do that? What's the point in Excel?
Well, Excel is meant to make this easier. So let's see if we can find a way. Yeah, exactly.
Especially if we're going to 1,000 or something.
Oh, that would be terrible.
All
So
right.
let's, I've done the first couple numbers in the sequence here.
Okay.
So I'm going to highlight them, and this green box at the bottom here, oh, this green box at the bottom here is
Okay.
going to be very useful.
Ah, right. Okay. Oh,
So
I
I'm
see
gonna,
that it's changing from like, kind of thick crosshairs to thin ones, right?
exactly, yes. So this is showing that our mouse is going to do something.
Oh, okay. All right.
So let's click that and drag that, and we'll go all the way. Oh, here's the bottom here. And it's filled it in.
Right. That's cool. And
There we go.
It picked up the, how do you call it? It picked up the pattern.
Yep.
Oh,
And
that's cool.
that will happen as well if you're doing any sequence. So 2, 4, 6, 8. It will do the same.
Right, okay.
It's gone up in 2s.
Right. Okay. Do you,
So
since it's doing the same thing, do you have to have 4 or can you just highlight 2 of them to give the pattern?
well, let's have a go. Let's do 10 and 20. Let's see if this will happen. No, it works for 2.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Excellent.
What if you put in like an exponential one? You think it'll pick up it'll pick up on it?
Ooh.
If you put like 3 values in, maybe it'll say, hey, wait a
Um,
minute, it wants an exponential. You think it's that smart?
let's have a go. Let's do
So let's do 2 to the 1, which is what? 2 to the,
like that.
sorry, no, just as actually we can use a formula if we want.
Okay. What do you suggest?
Equals 2 up caret. Let's start with 0. We'll go with 0.
Sure.
Okay, and now 2 equals 2 up caret 2. No, 2, did we say? We did 0. We have to do 1. We have to do 1.
Please do 1 first.
I'm sorry, we have to do 1. Okay,
But this one is going to be.
Okay, so yeah, and that one. So you really kind of, I don't know, you don't necessarily, if you know it's exponential, you don't need to give 3 points, but let's see if it picks up on that. Let's highlight all of those. What's going to happen?
Oh.
Oh. Well,
That doesn't like it.
not what we expected. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. All right,
Never mind.
well, that's okay. That's okay. We could probably do that on our own, probably with maybe some regression. If we had some points that we thought were exponential, maybe we could fit a instead of a line, we could fit an exponential curve. All right. All right. Sorry about that sidetrack there.
No, that was really
Pretty
helpful.
cool, though. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, let's because these aren't part of the data set, I'm just going to remove them. Oops, I pressed insert and not delete.
Oh, geez.
Unintentional.
That's okay.
There we go. Great.
All right, cool.
So Let's clean this data set, shall we?
I'd say, like clean it when you say how? Clean it like what, get rid of some values or,
Yeah, so let's make this data set nice to work with, easy
okay,
to work with.
that's fair.
Because let's have a look at the married column here. Excel will identify yes and married as two different things, even though we know it
Oh,
as the same thing. So
okay.
we're going to need to tell Excel,
All right. Wow, yeah, that could be an
yeah.
issue, man. That's cool.
So first thing I'm going to do is, well, there's two ways of doing this. Either we can create a table or we can do filter. I'll show you both ways.
All right, okay.
So to create a table, I'm just going to highlight everything, go to Insert, and go to Table. And this will create a table of the data.
Okay.
So it's saying, where is the data for your table? Well, it's everything that we highlighted. That's great.
All right, that's cool.
And it's ticked my table has headers, and that's
All
what it's
right,
identified the first row as. These are headers.
okay.
So I can click OK, and it's made it into a table.
All right, I've seen this before, man.
Yeah.
I've seen the end product of this. I've never seen it done.
Oh, okay.
Wow, that's cool, dude. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Really easy to do. And
Wow.
the other way that I will show you how to do this, I'm just going to
Man,
undo that.
I'm so amazed that I forgot the steps that you showed me.
Oh, oh, it's good that we're doing it then.
It's good that it's recorded too. I can go back and
Amazing.
check it out. Amazing. Well, thank God. It all worked out well. Well, hopefully, I won't. Uh, anyway, go ahead.
Makes sense.
Since
So
I'm in
I'll
charge
undo
of this
that.
recording, I'm worried now. I'm like, now watch me do something to end it and not record. So, all right, cool.
Okay, so the other way is I'm going to click anywhere on the data set and go to data and go to filter.
Okay.
And it's given these little drop downs at the top.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So although it hasn't recognized it as a table, it
That's
has
cool.
recognized it as a data set. So we can do whatever we want to this in the same way as a table can.
Right. So we've got married now up there on
Yep.
D, and we click that drop down bit, and what does that show us?
So it's showing us every value
Oh,
in the married
wow, that's
column.
cool. That's cool, man. That
So
is awesome.
yeah,
I
and
wasn't,
that's
I'll be honest with you, I wasn't sure that if this particular, was gonna go well, but it's going fantastically. No,
fantastic.
I'm not saying because how can I say this? I'm sorry. I have no doubts in you. I just, with what I came to this video to show, I'm so happy that you're I'm learning here. So that's my thing right now. So I'm
Excellent.
excited. I'm excited about that. Thank you very much.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, that's true for any column that
All
we.
right. Okay. Whatever it happens to be.
Yep. So the first thing. Were you going to say something?
No, I'm just paying attention. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. Right. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is delete any blank entries. And the reason why is because if people haven't filled out my survey, I'm not interested in what they have to say.
Ah,
It's,
okay. All right. Okay. That's cool.
yeah,
Yeah. If they're not going to take care and fill it out the way it should be.
yeah. We've got a couple of blank entries.
Oh, blank entries. Okay. I gotcha.
Yeah. So I'm going to highlight everything here. And what I'm going to do is go to Home, going to find and select, and then go to Special. Do you see this one here?
Hold on. My cameras yeah, so you went to find and select
Yep.
and then go to special. Yeah. I'm looking.
Yeah. So it's recognized everything that we've got here in the data set. And I want to highlight every non-entry, which is going to be blanks.
All right. Okay.
So click blanks and click OK. Look at that. It's highlighted all the blank values.
That's cool, man. That is so cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. So that was find and select, and then nice. And what were some of the other options there?
There were quite a few. Let
That
me.
is so cool.
So we've got find, we've got replace. We're going to use that in a bit later.
Ah, okay, all right, okay, that makes sense.
Yep.
Some cool formulas. All right, okay.
So
All
we've
right.
got a bunch. In fact, let me do that again. So go to special blanks and highlight. Now I'm going to right click and delete because people need to have complete entries. If they've
Okay.
missed one, I can't include them in my data set. So delete, and
So
I'm going to
just-
delete the row.
Entire row.
Mhm.
And that's just that row or every row? Oh,
It's deleted every row. So every row that got highlighted, it's gone now.
so every row that had an NA or had nothing in it.
Yes.
So everything, oh, okay, so there's no blanks here. Okay, all right.
Yep.
Yeah, I can see that. Nice.
Which is great. So, is there anything here that you're looking at that you'd like to clean next?
Yeah, I think that you want to get rid of the 74. It's the 74 yeah, you want to make
The
that a
salary.
number. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just make that wider so we can see. Yes.
And
So
the K bit too. And the K
yeah.
bits, the Ks.
Mhm.
74, that's all they made? Oh, that's
This
too
is
much.
in thousands of pounds.
Oh,
So hopefully
okay.
it's 74,000.
So that's thousands. That's 21 million. That's 21 million there, right? That's awesome. That's nice.
Goodness.
They have time to fill out a survey. Huh? Well, God bless.
There we go.
Make it. Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
That's right. We've also got some other maybe non-entries or unreal entries,
Yeah,
which we have to
yeah.
clean.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this arrow and deselect all. And I'm going to hide everything. Oh, sorry, I'm going to show everything that doesn't look quite, in fact, that one can stay. Doesn't look quite right.
Okay, so that's listing everything, all of those numbers.
Yep.
And then you could just pick the ones that you don't have, like that one. And even with the big Ks, maybe those aren't, you think they knew what they were typing in?
Should we leave those ones?
No, I'm just saying.
No, let's leave those ones. We'll clean it later. Okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we'll do that in a bit.
Wow.
So we've got everything here which isn't not so, so good. So
Okay, all right.
25,300. I highly doubt that this person makes 25 million a year.
Yeah.
We're going to change that, and I'm just going to do
Oh,
that.
that's cool.
So I'm just
That's
going to
awesome.
rewrite it.
That's awesome. Wow, that's really, I'll tell you what, if I knew this, it could have helped a lot of students with this.
Ah,
I'm serious.
There we go.
I'm serious. So there we're gonna put in the 40,
this is going to
44.5. Oh, how about we gotta get rid of whatchamacallit, don't we?
the pound sign.
Yeah, how do we do that?
Yes. Let's go and highlight all of this. Go back to format cells.
Okay, all right.
And let's just do a number again.
Beautiful.
And I like 1 decimal place.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
There we go.
Okay.
So that's got rid of all the pound signs.
Cool. And now that guy making 33 million.
There we go.
So now do you have to do anything now that you've done this, or do you like save it, or it's saved that way now, eh?
It's already done it that way, yes. So now I'm going to clear the filter, and I'm just going to, oh, that one didn't do it. Let's do it again. Format cells, number, 1 decimal place. It didn't do it. I'm just going to do it by hand. 21, that is 49.1, that is 74.6. Anything else?
All right.
No, that's good. Excellent.
I wonder why that didn't work though. Did we not click those? Or you might have clicked them and left them in there maybe, or?
So it didn't recognize it as a number because it had the letter
Yeah.
K.
Right, because of the K and the, oh, I see, okay,
So it recognized it as a string or a
oh,
text as
okay,
opposed to a number.
okay. I got you.
So
All right, that's cool. Very nice. That's very nice.
thank you.
Excellent.
So we've done annual salary. What column shall we clean next?
I think the married,
Okay.
see married, undermarried, and I see yes and no,
Yep.
and I see unmarried too. So maybe grouping those and a lowercase unmarried.
Yeah, and this one's even spelled wrong.
Oh my Lord! I don't know.
Not good.
Well, you think that's the reason they're unmarried now?
Oh,
Because of the spelling?
let's hope not.
That's something you can look past, I think. Spelling.
Yeah.
All
So
right,
we've
cool.
got not as
All right.
many variations, but still enough.
Okay, so we're picking the ones that we want to change.
Yes.
All right.
And let's change everything to either a yes or a no. But
Okay.
instead of going through them one by one, I'm going to replace.
Oh,
So I'm going to do replace.
All right.
So I am going to find everything. So I've highlighted this column, so it's only going to do this column. So anything with married is going to be replaced with
Oh, that's cool, man.
replace all.
That's cool.
And it's done it 8 times.
All right, that's cool, man. That's perfect. Now another one?
Yes, let's do unmarried.
Unmarried.
And that is going to be replaced with no.
No.
Replace all.
That's
Oh,
all. Is it
was it
possible?
not married, maybe?
Not married?
Ah, hang on.
Oh. Unmarried, yes.
There we go. It's accidentally done. It wouldn't have done it if it was a table, but never mind.
You got yes too, which means
Not
no.
yes. Yes. It's okay. Let's do that again.
Yes, that would definitely cause an yes to a marriage, I think.
Yep.
You see
So
that sometimes things are said that can't be taken back.
there we go.
Yes. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
so that's okay.
Is this this people actually fill that out that way or?
So because we replaced all married with yes, even in the columns which said not married or unmarried, it's seen the word married and like, oh, we're replacing that with yes.
Oh, I got it. So that wasn't there initially, yeah?
No,
Oh, okay, okay. I'm glad. Especially because I got it. All right, cool, very cool.
just gonna check. Oh, we got that spelling mistake, unmarried.
Unmarried.
So let's do this one.
Are you gonna remember how it's spelled incorrectly?
Oh yeah, it done it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So I'm just
That's
gonna
cool.
check. There we go. No and yes.
Beautiful. Well done. That really helps, especially when other people are filling out those surveys.
Exactly. Yeah.
Awesome. Very cool. That was great.
Excellent.
Excellent. It's getting dark over there, huh?
It is just
Yeah.
nearly home time.
Oh man, I should show this, I'll show it.
Okay.
I'll show it. Hopefully I don't knock anything over. How's that? You see the colors?
Fantastic. Look
Isn't
at that.
nice? Look at that. Nice time.
Beautiful.
Is it cool? Yeah, I wish I could lift it higher, but there it is. All right,
That's
that's enough
good.
of that. That's enough of that. Okay. All right. So that was fun. I mean, it was fun for me for sure. Unless I break
Excellent.
this camera. There we go. How's that?
Nice.
I could get that chair. Just not working. Never mind. That bar stool chair. Oh my God. See, I told you that all kinds of terrible things can happen. I don't know how this, is that it? How's that?
I think that's it.
Okay.
Wonderful.
We'll end it on this. Can I stop your share?
Yeah, sure.
There we go. Why not? All right. So Maybe this would be a better time to show the window, eh? How's that?
There we go.
How's that? Not
Very
too
nice.
bad, not too bad. All right, cool. So that's it, eh?
Yeah.
So maybe we'll come back with some more of that those awesome, I don't want to call them tricks, but sometimes you can call them tricks, I guess, eh? The
They
hidden
certainly feel
bit,
like tricks.
the hidden bit for sure, man. That sounds tricky.
That's only a right click.
All right, Laura. Well, we'll call it, I guess, and I'll see you on the next video, okay?
Excellent. See you next time.
Right.
All right.